All right, let's have a look at this article, Australia's growing wealth gap and what your mate Jimmy Chalmers plans to do about it. Now, the median household wealth in Australia has basically been stuck at 700,000 for the last 5 years, but average household wealth, okay, that has increased by 24% over the same period, from about 1.2 million to about 1.5 million. So what does that tell you? Well, the median stayed the same, but the average has increased. So wealth is concentrating at the top. Now, households with 1.6 million net worth and above, they have actually grown from 15% to over 22% of all households over the past 5 years. And this group is expanding at the most rapid rate. And the growth in their wealth can be attributed to property and share market returns, as well as rapid debt reduction. So what's happened here? Well, if you're an existing asset owner, that might be property or shares or businesses, well, obviously you've been pushed further up the wealth ladder. But if you're not an asset owner, well, you haven't even moved at all. And your wealth may have very well gone down because your purchasing power has been eroded because your costs have gone up. And this is where things actually get interesting, because what actually drives asset prices up faster than incomes? Yes, you guessed it, inflation. And what have we had since 2020? Well, we had the pandemic. They cut interest rates to 0% for a number of years, and they printed a lot of money. And what happened? Asset prices went through the roof and everyone else got left behind. So if you're an existing asset owner, well, hey, your wealth position has improved, as the data shows. If you're not, your purchasing power has been destroyed. So you're in the middle band and you're getting left behind. But where does inflation come from? You guessed it, your mates in Canberra. And the funny thing is, in the 5 years before the pandemic, guess what? Median wealth went up 11% and average wealth went up 10%. So it was far more evenly dispersed. Why? Because it was a period of low inflation. So while Jim Chalmers wants to try and address these issues, it would be great if they could acknowledge the major driving force behind wealth concentration, which is inflation.